Built for users who demand private control over their data without sacrificing speed or access, Pocket Cloud is more than just a portable NAS. It's a compact, high-efficiency gateway to your personal cloud wherever you are. At the core of Pocket Cloud is Station PC, a forward-thinking technology brand backed by Firefly Technology, a trusted name in board manufacturing and embedded computing. For over 5 years, Station PC has focused on delivering high-performance private cloud solutions that are streamlined for modern workloads. Bring the pulse of the financial world right to your desk with a dynamic display that echoes the charm of vintage trading floors. The ticker meter isn't just decor, it's a real-time window into your stock portfolio, cryptocurrencies, and forex pairs. Crafted for both home and office, this physical stock ticker leverages e-paper technology, providing a crisp, paper-like display that's visible under any lighting conditions while using minimal power. Customize each ticker to stream your favorite tickers with up-to-the-minute accuracy. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. DeFi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and DeFi logs your dose automatically. Low-Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. The Satechi Mini NVMe SSD enclosure provides a fast and reliable solution for data storage and transfer, designed for those needing efficient file management. With read speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, it maximizes the performance of 2,230mm NVMe solid-state drives, offering nearly double the speed of traditional SATA SSDs. The enclosure utilizes advanced Gen 2 USB-C technology for seamless transfers, making it an excellent choice for handling large files, photos, videos, and games. Step into clarity like never before. The Enmisi 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters. In fields where precision matters, whether inspecting jewelry, capturing insect anatomy, or framing petals mid-bloom, every detail counts. The Apexel Zoom Macro Lens transforms your smartphone into a high-performance macro camera, bridging casual photography with professional-grade results. Featuring the industry's first zoomable macro lens, this tool allows seamless magnification from 10 to 20 times with a simple twist of the focus ring. Want the entire spider in frame? Use 10 times. Need the claw hairs in crisp focus? Zoom in to 20 times. It's more than choice, it's creative control. The Focus Sound see-through glass directional speaker is a unique blend of innovative sound technology and modern decor. This sleek, transparent speaker utilizes advanced directional audio, allowing sound to travel in a focused beam towards the listener, creating an immersive experience without disturbing the surrounding area. Its invisible headphone effect makes it perfect for spaces where quiet listening is a priority, such as in offices, libraries, or personal spaces. Shooting games always brought us a rush of excitement, a chance to test our reflexes and accuracy in a safe and controlled environment. But how many of us ever learned the true techniques behind it? Sure, we aimed and fired, but without proper guidance, we were left to rely on instincts and luck. That's where training comes into play. Effective practice isn't just about pulling the trigger, it's about developing the right habits, patience, and focus. The Lenercom Energon Max Portable Power Station redefines convenience and reliability for off-grid power solutions. Boasting an impressive 3,686 watt-hour capacity, it delivers a robust 3,600 watt output with 5 120-volt AC outlets, making it ideal for both home use and outdoor adventures. Whether you're powering up electronics, lights, or appliances during a power outage or exploring remote camping sites, the Energon Max ensures that you stay connected and powered up. Xiaomi's wireless AR glasses push the boundaries of augmented reality technology by providing a lightweight, high-performance device designed for seamless, wire-free experiences. At just 126 grams, these glasses are powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 1 platform, offering an impressive low-latency connection that delivers a near-instantaneous AR experience. With a wireless latency as low as 3 milliseconds, the glasses ensure smooth interaction. Small but powerful, the C110 is a compact camera designed for seamless adventure, capturing stunning moments on the go. This ultra-portable device weighs just 79 grams, fitting easily in your pocket while delivering exceptional performance. With a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view and distortion correction, every shot is clear and true to life. Whether you're filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, 2K at 60 frames per second, or capturing fast action at 1080p with 120 frames per second. Engineered for precision and comfort, this 360-degree rotation metal phone stand delivers flexibility with effortless style. Its fully rotatable hinge lets you adjust your phone to virtually any angle, perfect for hands-free FaceTime, Zoom calls, or streaming. Easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for a personalized, comfortable viewing setup at home or on the go. The tilt and height adjustments take just 1 second, offering instant relief from neck strain and poor posture. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. From early breakfast to late-night meals, this countertop powerhouse reshapes what your kitchen can do without taking over your entire counter. The Breville Smart Countertop Convection Oven with Element IQ system brings commercial-grade precision to your everyday cooking routine, cutting down cook times by up to 30% with its convection boost. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a highly capable kitchen assistant with 9 tailored cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. No countertop multi-tools perform quite like Chopping Bot. This one-of-a-kind 5-in-1 smart cutting board blends cutting-edge precision with smart design. Weigh ingredients directly on the board thanks to the integrated digital scale, powered by a long-lasting battery. Touch-sensitive buttons make operation intuitive, while the built-in timer ensures every meal stays on track. Sharpen knives mid-prep with the onboard sharpener, then chop and slice confidently across the dual surface board. The HGN Metal Faucet. Glass rinser is a practical and stylish addition to any kitchen sink. Made from high-quality stainless steel with a brushed nickel finish, it not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also adds functionality to your daily routine. This glass rinser is designed to thoroughly clean glasses and bottles with ease, providing a quick rinse after use. It features multiple jets strategically placed to cover the entire interior of glasses, ensuring efficient cleaning without effort. In the ever-changing rhythm of urban streets, protection and intelligence must ride hand in hand. Enter Lumos Nixel, a revolutionary e-bike helmet engineered for riders who demand more than just safety. But Nixel isn't just bright, it's brilliantly aware. Integrated with Quinn-powered crash detection, this helmet becomes your silent guardian. It automatically senses impacts and can alert your emergency contacts instantly. The 10-4 Tech provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. Built for those who venture off the grid and demand serious power, this 40,000 mAh portable power bank delivers a rugged, high-capacity solution for charging multiple devices. With a transparent LCD display offering real-time battery insight, this compact powerhouse stands ready for action. It supports blazing fast 100-watt power delivery charging and features dual USB-C and dual USB-A ports, perfect for laptops, tablets, phones, drones, or even gaming handhelds. Step into a realm where technology and ambiance converge to elevate your living space. Xzoi One. Designed to transform how you interact with light, Xzoi One combines advanced AI features with artistic design to craft a truly immersive environment. With a sleek, futuristic aesthetic, it turns any room into a haven of endless possibilities. At the heart of Xzoi One is its groundbreaking AI-powered lighting system, which tailors the environment to match your moods, music, and personal preferences. In a world where conversations carry weight, discretion is power. The NG4200 PhoneSafe Summit understands that silence isn't just golden, it's essential. Built with acoustic integrity in mind, this advanced privacy device suppresses audio surveillance with a dual interference system targeting both bottom and top microphones. By generating non-filterable ultrasonic frequencies, completely inaudible to the human ear, it neutralizes all known smartphone listening capabilities without breaking any laws. Slip into a zone of pure precision where every footstep, reload, and whisper is amplified for the win. This is what the InZone Buds bring to your gaming arsenal. Built in collaboration with Fnatic, one of the top esports organizations, these wireless gaming earbuds are crafted for peak competition. Game all day with an impressive 12 hours on a single charge, or stretch to 48 hours using the charging case powered by LE Audio. Built for those who refuse to leave great sound behind, the amzn Wild Mini brings unmatched performance into rugged terrain. Inspired by retro military design, this Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound without compromise, making it the perfect partner for weekend trips, solo adventures, and untamed exploration. Wherever your path leads, the amzn Wild Mini unleashes your inner wildness with powerful audio that fills open spaces. Tucked into any workspace with ease, this compact cutting machine brings professional-level creativity to your fingertips without demanding a large footprint. With its ability to handle over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, it's the perfect tool for crafting everything from custom decals to greeting cards and labels. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp, detailed cuts and intricate patterns that rival larger machines. In a world full of disposable products, the lifelong deodorant stands apart with timeless design and unwavering durability. Built with a refillable, reusable, and washable applicator, it pairs with a natural powder-to-liquid deodorant, packaged in eco-conscious paper pouches. With no single-use plastic in sight, Lifelong cuts transport emissions by an impressive 94%, setting a new standard for sustainability. Crafted for urban movement, this helmet redefines versatility for cyclists and scooter riders alike. Engineered with an innovative collapsible design, it compresses to nearly half its original size, ideal for tight backpack storage, lockers, or desk drawers. It's built to serve both men and women, blending convenience with advanced protection for everyday commuting. Safety meets visibility with ultra-bright integrated lights, enhancing your presence whether you're pedaling through pre-dawn streets or cruising home after dark. Precision takes form in this compact powerhouse of optics, built for photographers who won't compromise when space is tight and clarity is critical. With a 400mm focal length and 12 times magnification, this lens delivers long-range performance in a tight form factor. Whether you're capturing wildlife from a distance or isolating urban details, its reach gets you closer without taking a step forward. Engineered with 11 elements arranged in 8 groups, this lens ensures minimal distortion. Experience seamless functionality with the pen's innovative design. The magnetic quick-release cap provides an effortless, one-handed operation that ensures you're always ready to write. No twists, no fuss, just a simple pull and snap, making every use smooth and satisfying. Crafted with precision, the pen offers a premium feel, enhanced by the high-grade magnets that ensure the cap always aligns perfectly with a distinct and reassuring snap. When immersion matters and split-second response determines victory, the amzn X2S wireless controller rises to the challenge. Built with precision engineering and refined ergonomics, the X2S transforms your smartphone into a pro-grade handheld console. From long RPG sessions to competitive shooters, this controller gives you the edge with tactile feedback, low-latency wireless, and deep customization. Worn like a badge, Lido transforms the way you connect. No bulk, no fuss. At just 0.55 inches thin, this ultra-light wearable walkie-talkie blends into your gear while delivering rugged performance. Its smart ring controller gives you full hands-free command, allowing you to talk, send voice messages, or drop pins with a simple gesture, leaving your hands open for climbing, biking, or fieldwork. Tailored for gamers who demand control, endurance, and adaptability on the go, this all-in-one gear system brings professional-level functionality to your handheld experience.